Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a project profile that we did over the summer. It was actually Metzenbaum. They're a developmental disability facility in Northeast Ohio, and they had an issue. They had a 20-year-old roof, and they really didn't know which way to go to get it under control and get a new warranty. So they brought in a bunch of contractors and got proposals, and not one of them had a proposal that was under budget. But we kind of reached out to them and like, hey, I know you might not have heard of a spray foam roofing system before, but please look at our proposal. It might be under budget for you, and it was. So I just wanted to go over some of the projects or some of the qualities of their roof characteristics, and kind of why they went a certain route. So like, they had a strict budget on their roof. They had different roofing systems actually on the roofs that provide a lot of challenges to a contractor. I think they had a modified bit system and shingles on the same roof, different slope, low slope and high slope on the same roof. So there's a lot of challenges, which is why maybe doing a traditional roofing system would come over budget. But we proposed spray polyurethane foam, and it really cut down on the cost of the project because our goal is to recover the existing roof. Only remove the saturated areas, don't remove the entire roofing system, which brought down the cost. So it wasn't a complete tear-off, only in spot areas. We recovered the roof, installing 1.5 inches of foam on average over the roof, and putting 30 mils of silicone coating with granules over top of that spray foam roof. The project was done in a third of the time that they allowed us, and we used Carlisle projects. Used Carlisle foam and coating on it. Really, just the goal of the whole thing was, they couldn't find anybody with a traditional roofing system to do it under budget, and with spray foam not having to remove everything and it being extremely fast installation was pretty attractive to them. So just want to say that's kind of how it happened and what went on. Please click below. There's a full 2-page PDF of the entire project, and if you have a project pretty similar to your own and want to learn more about foam or whatnot, please reach out to us anytime. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.